It looks like he could be employed here at the waste dump. We could make use of him. I never thought I'd say this, but thank you, Spamcan. We needed the extra help.
Now, where's my next rubbish train? I can't be kept waiting, you know. You've got to go to work.
You, get to work. Now. The Whippy will show you what to do. And get him a uniform as well.
Much later.
Hey, come on, you can work faster than that. Yeah, don't be lazing around. Oh, you are our newest recruit, so you should have gotten the hang of it by now.
Well, I've got to make a bloody living, haven't I?
Come on, I don't have all day. Load up the rubbish trucks, would you?
Hey, Whiff, Scruff, cut out tormenting our newest recruit. Why should they not torment him, right? He's the Dolphin controller. He wants to rid of the Northwestern Railway.
Well, because what's the Dolphin controller, you know?
Even still, give him a chance, don't you? There you go, Spamcan. You're clear to depart the boat.
Oh, hello. I got your cow for you. That's what you ordered, right?
Das Volk hat sich als das Schwächere erwiesen und es ist immer ein Naturgesetz. Das ist mein Leben.
Okay. You want me to put it in the siding, do you?
Ausgabe bitte.
Will do.
The following day.
Dieses Dritte Reich wird eine Schatzkammer sein für Kunst und Kultur. Jahrtausende von Jahren.
Oh, Spamcan, do you want to take him to the incinerator again?
Oi! You! Get a move on! Load up my rubbish train so I can get out of here to them! What are you doing?
Hey, excuse me! I'm trying to use the loo!
Looks like he's settling in on the job now.
Oh, well, that was a good idea. Oi! No slacking on the job! Ich will Fegelein, sofort!
Now presenting MC Rabbish. Rabbish, 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 rabbish.
Yeah, you should really read the rules.
Jonathan? What is this guy doing? I don't know, Jack. He's just doing his work like the rest of us. Wait a second. What is with Scruff? Oi, oi, oi! You should have put rubbish in the engine's file boxes!
Oh, what is this?
The rule. It's against the rule.
Hey, what's with Scruff?
My boiler. Oh, my firebox. Scruff, what's going on? Don't blow your smoke at me. What sort of fuel did you take on today?
Burning rubbish in an engine's firebox is not good for them, as you can see with Scruff. Engines only burn coal, not rubbish.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Spamcan, we have an early morning delivery for you tomorrow, so that means you'll have to sleep with us.
But at least get a fucking clean up so I can sleep without the smell of fucking rubbish in my fucking nostrils.
But I don't like being clean. Well, if that's the case, you can sleep in the back of the shed. If that helps at all.
Ich habe heute den Fall Clausewitz ausgegeben. Berliner Transnet. Sie übernehmen als Kampfkommandant die Sicherung des Regierungsmittels. Dass diese kulturlosen Bestien Europa überschwemmen. Ich bin das letzte Bollwerk gegen diese Gefahr. Die bei Brand bereitstehen, in den Rücken.
Honey. That's strange. Oh! Hold on! Why can't I start out? Phew. Oh, my engine! Oh!
Spamcan?
Ah, great. What happened here?
Great! Now this fucking rubbish train can't get to the fucking incinerator!
What the? There's urine in your tank, Spamcan. Who put that there?
What the fuck? Who put that in my tank?
Urine in the tank? Who did that?
Oh no, how did all that get in Spamcan's tank?
I don't know.
Right, Whiff, Scruff, you'll have to take the waste train to Barrow.
Son of a bitch!
Oh, my smoke box.
Stop blowing your fucking toxic smoke at me!
What is with this coal?
Oh God!
Why is there so much black smoke?
Viele Fehler gemacht, Sansi.
Last time I checked, the coal quality was just fine. Why are they puffing out so much black smoke?
What sort of coal is
I
this?
can't breathe.
I don't know, but last time the manager checked, the coal was fine. Why are they puffing out such toxic smoke? Well, I don't know. wasn't that cool. You never know.
You are not looking well. You know, smoking's bad for your health.
Driver, what type of coal is this?
It is not coal. You are burning rubbish, not coal.
Sorry, you say it's rubbish? Who put that there?
It's not so good. I can't breathe.
I'm not feeling my best.
Bother.
Meanwhile,
Yes, so here we are at
Ich bin mit mir ins Railway gekommen.
at about 2 p.m. The station was covered by toxic smoke by 2 engines who were hauling a rubbish train. Are you alright, miss? Not after getting toxic smoke in my lungs. Would you like to tell the viewers what happened at Vidcarstown station?
Why did the Fat Controller get us to work here, Ryan? I don't know. But apparently, Whiff and Scruff are broken down because they took some toxic coal, I believe.
Ahem! You! Yes, you! Fegelein would like a word with you.
Es war der Fehler, aber der war nur so besonders.
Yeah, I wondered what bastard you might be.
Sowas wie der Golden Boy, ne? So alles.
You! Yes, you! We meet again! What were you thinking when you sabotaged the Western? First of all, you put urine in Spamcan's fuel tank so that he could not go to the other railway to incinerate the rubbish. We cannot incinerate rubbish on this island.
Seems there's only one thing to do with him, right, Benny? Yes, Billy! Recycle that! Potty mouth!
Because of that, you have caused confusion and delay.
And because of you, Whiff and Scruff have broken down a Bickerstown, literally suffocating the whole station! Never burn rubbish in any firebox!
We still need you. Let's get you back out there.
And what about me?
Don't worry. I'll take you to the works on my first rubbish train.
Don't look at me, oh innocent. You know you did wrong. Well, I've had a meeting with Fegelein and we've decided to concoct a punishment for you. And to make sure you don't come back to the island.
Therefore, me and the Fat Controller have decided that you are fired! But first, after you, Mr. Fegelein.
Tun Sie, was Sie wollen, das waren exakt seine Worte.
You! Yes, you! You're coming with us. You're going to know what being recycled feels like.